Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see question set number 28. So in the previous videos we studied about these question sets from question set 1 to question set 27. So this is the 28th video related to the DBMS video series. So let's see the question set 28. So this is the question set 28 they have given us. So there are 5 sub questions. So let's see the questions one by one. What is the highest mark obtained in the Sinhala literature in all? What is the highest mark obtained in Sinhala literature in all term examination of all the students of class 11B? So they have asked us the highest mark here. We need to find out the highest mark. We need to find out the highest mark in Sinhala language and literature subject. In Sinhala language and literature subject, and it should be in all term. That means we are taking first term and second term marks here in the database. So we need to find out the highest mark in Sinhala literature subject, and it should be in all term examination. So and after that they have given us. And after that they have told us that the highest mark should be from class 11B. So this is the first question. Let's type the query for the first question. So you can see here, this is our database. There are 4 tables. And I'm going to type the query here for the first question. I'm going to type the query first and then I'll explain the query. Guys, this is the query for the first question. So in this query you can see here we have used a keyword called mark. So inside the bracket we have used the parameter that we want to find out. So in this question we need to find out the highest mark, that means the maximum mark. So we have used the mark column in the student exam mark record table. So if you come here again, if we want to find out the highest value or maximum value, we can use the keyword called max. And then if you come here, we have joined 3 tables in this query. So according to the question, so the first table is student table, and then the class table, and finally the subject table. So when you come here, the conditions we have given are subject name and class name. So the subject name should be Sinhala language and literature, and the class name should be 11B. So this is the query for the first question. Let's run the query. So you can see here we've got a results saying 99. That means this is the highest mark in all term. This is the highest marks in Sinhala language and literature subject in all the term. So let's see the second one. What is the highest mark and subject of Sachitra Wickramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects? So according to the second question, they have asked us to find out the highest mark that Sachitra Wickramasinghe got in the first term examination, and also we should find out the subject which is related to that highest marks. So let's write the query for that. So guys, this is the query for the second question. So if you see that, you can see here we have used the keyword called max to find out the highest value. So according to this question, we have used two max keywords. That means we need to find out the maximum mark and the subject related to that mark. So that's what we have told here. So we need to find out the maximum mark and the subject related to that maximum mark. So this is what we have told here, and for that we have used the keyword called max. After that we have joined the subject, student, exam, subject, student and exam term table using inner join statements. After that we have given three conditions. As they have given in the question, the student name should be Sachitra Vikramasinghe. So we have given first name should be Sachitra and the last name should be Vikramasinghe. And when it comes to the term name, it should be first term. So this is the query for the second one. Let's run the query. So you can see here we got a result saying that the 85.5 is the highest mark, and the mark 85.5 is the highest mark, and Sachitra Vikramasinghe got 85.5 in Sinhala language and literature in the first term examination. So that's what we have found here, and this is the answer for the second question. So let's see the third one. Find the name and mark of the students who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term examination. So in this question we need to find out the name and mark of the particular students who got between 70 and 90 marks in the first term examination mathematics subject. So this is what we need to find out in the third question. So let's write the query for the third one as well. So guys, this is the query for the third question. So if you see the query, according to the question we need to find out the name and the mark of the student. So that's why we have told that we need to find the first name and the last name from the student table, and after that the mark from the student exam mark record table. After that we have joined several tables with the student exam mark record table. The first one is student table. So according to we have joined the student table because we need to find out the first name and the last name. After that we have joined the exam term table because we are giving a condition saying that the term should be first term. You can see here. And then finally we have joined the subject table because we want the mark from the mathematics subjects. So that's what we have joined the subject table with the student exam mark record table. So this is the query for the third question. And especially when you come here, you can see here we have used the keyword called between. We studied about this in one of our previous videos. So this is the query for the third question. Let's execute this query. And now you can see here we got a results of the students. We got a results of the students who got marks between 70 and 90 in the first term mathematics subject. So let's see the fourth question. Find the subject and mark with the highest marks obtained in the mathematics and science subjects in Amanda Moses' first term examination. So according to the question, we need to find out the highest mark and the related subject. That means they have given only two subjects in here. We need to find out whether it's mathematics or science. That's what we have told us. So in this question they have told us to find out the highest mark and the subject related to the highest mark. That means we can't find. That means they have given two subjects, mathematics and science. So in these two subjects, so within these two subjects, we need to find out the highest mark and the related subject, whether it can be mathematics or science. So let's write the query for the fourth one. So guys, this is the query for the fourth question. So you can see here, first of all we have written that we need the mark and the subject name. After that we have joined student table because we need to find out the we have joined the student name because we are giving the student details. That means we are giving a condition called Amanda Moses. So after that we have joined the exam term table because we need to find out the mark from the first time examination. And also finally we have given the subject table because we need to find out the subject name. And also we are giving conditions saying that mathematics or science. So this is why we have joined these tables using join queries. And when you come to the condition set, first of all we have given here subject name should be mathematics or science. So you can see here we have used the keyword called in. We can use this keyword instead of an equal mark. We have used an order by keyword to order according to the descending order, and we have given a keyword called limit, and then we have given a number. That means we want to limit the result from 1. For example, if we getting 10 results, we need only 1 result. This is the query for the fourth question. Let's execute. So you can see here, this is the results. This is the answer for the fourth one. Let's go for the final question. So in this question, we need to find out the highest mark of the student called Madara Vanasekara in the second term examination. So let's write the query for the final question. So guys, this is the query for the final question. You can see here we have used the keyword called maximum to find out the highest value. So we need to find out the highest mark here. After that, we have joined two tables, student table and the exam term table, because we need to find out we have used the student table because we are giving two conditions from the student table, the first name and the last name of the student, and we have used the exam term table because we need to find out the highest mark from the second term examination. That's what we have. That's why we have joined these two tables. And then when you come here, we have given three conditions: the first name and the last name of the students, and the term name should be second term. So this is the query for the final question. So let's execute the query. So this is the highest mark that Madara Vanasekara got in the second term examination. So this is the answer for the final question. So according to the question set 28, we studied about two new keywords. The first one is maximum, to find out the highest value, and the second one is the limit keyword. We can limit the results by any count we want. So this is all about question set 28. So let's meet in the next video with question set number 29.